Want just about the easiest way there is that I know of to make money online. If so, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about in my review of Watercolor Art Prompts version 2. Okay, we're looking right now at the sales page for Watercolor Art Prompts. Now, this is from my friend Daniel, and he has put together some amazing prompts that you can use to create these images that you see here. Each time that you run the prompt, of course, it's going to create unique images. So it's going to be something different every single time. It's never going to be the exact same image that you see here. It'll be something similar, though. And you can actually go ahead and take these things and just sell the image just as it is. That already can make you money. Believe it or not, there are a lot of people selling on places like Etsy who make a ton of money just selling these kinds of images. And you get a huge number of prompts. I'm going to show you the members here in just a second. But before I do, I want to say about my custom post because I do not want you to simply be the same person as everybody else who goes and says, okay, well, I can sell these images on Etsy, I guess, because you are an entrepreneur and you are going to make a lot more money than that.
Billionaire entrepreneur.
Thank you, Barry. Not quite billionaire entrepreneur, but with my help, you might get a little closer to that. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
exactly. Good God, where is Liz Lemon? Anyway, but seriously. So let me tell you about my custom bonus over here. All right. So first and foremost, speaking of artwork, one of the cool things I found was a way of actually creating QR codes with custom images. Now, this one, by the way, I did a course on something like this a while back, and the system that I found that originally did this doesn't exist anymore. When it went away, I found a brand new one that I've exposed in this particular bonus. So this is going to be something brand new that I have never given away before. But it creates QR codes similar to what you're going to see here. You can put in whatever images you like. I've tested it basically, or well, you don't put image, you put in a prompt and it creates the image for you. Okay, again, this is just a prompt with a QR code and it's going to take you directly to my homepage. Okay, these are very, very cool, and businesses will happily pay you for these. You can sell these, and it literally takes you 5 seconds to make it, and you can make them over and over again completely for free. Okay, that's very, very cool. Another thing you can do, memes, of course, are very, very big things to make money off of. And again, I found a way of taking any images you create from Midjourney or from DALL-E or wherever it is, or even just images you find online, and it'll instantly analyze the image and turn it into a meme for you, which I think is very, very cool. Again, this is a great way to make money. First of all, you can sell meme packs, and it'll just create the memes for you. You can also use them to drive more traffic to your own offers, whatever you want to do with it. I just took this image that you very often see at the bottom of my emails, and I fed it into the system and it created a meme for me instantly. Here's another cool one. You can take any image and actually turn it into a talking video. Basically, over here I have Elon Musk singing, even though it's not really Elon, but I took a picture of him and it makes him start singing. Very, very cool stuff. You can play the video here on my website if you want to take a look and see how it actually works. Another one. Now, this again, by the way, if you're trying to create stuff in Midjourney, you want to create a good prompt. Trouble is that you may not have the most detailed ideas of how to create good prompts. I found an AI that will actually take your prompt and make it much more detailed and give you a lot better results. Now, again, by the way, the first time I found something like this, I put it in and that particular product doesn't exist anymore. So I've updated this. I found a brand new system that will do the same thing that will actually enhance your Midjourney prompts. Again, this is exclusive for me and brand new. I've never given that away before because the original one that I gave away, of course, doesn't exist anymore. On top of all that, of course, I don't like to simply hand you a couple of wrappy bonuses.
It's a piece of crap.
No, actually, no, it is not crap. It is actually really, really good stuff. Okay. Unlike a lot of people, I don't put together a bunch of junk and then say, okay, whatever sticks. I put together good quality stuff. Wait, but seriously, I do not want you to just have crappy junk. I want you to have good quality stuff. And because of that, I'm going to go ahead and actually put together a whole list of other places you can sell your artwork. Again, nobody else has this list. It's exclusively for me, so you can make even more money. But of course, we're still not done yet because after all, this is the Man in the Hat review.
Concierge of crime? Man in the Hat?
Yes, thank you very much. I know you're the Man in the Hat also, but right now we're talking about me, okay? Thank you. Anyway, okay, so I recently did give this away, but I want to reiterate because this is very, really cool. I'm very, very happy for this. So I actually am going to tell you about a secret website that I found where it teaches you how to get all kinds of cool stuff for next to nothing. And I've done this, I don't know how many times. I made a lot of money doing this, by the way. So for example, I have a Star Trek mug that I had made up that cost me $1 a piece, and you can sell them for $20 a piece. All right. And there's all kinds of stuff, and I show you exactly how this website works, how to find these kinds of deals so that you can go ahead and use them. Plus, I'm going to show you another method that I use called the triple dip system, where I actually go ahead and am able to buy low and sell high. I actually have a brand new bonus I created that was part of that package, where I'm going to show you how I made $60 in 5 minutes of time without having to do any of the work. I found something using this particular method and was able to instantly turn it around and make a profit off of it. It was the easiest money ever. I'm going to show you exactly how that works. And again, this ties directly into these prompts because you can take these prompts and actually go ahead and use them to create the artwork that you can go ahead and sell. And again, I show you where I was able to source these coffee mugs and other stuff. And there's always new stuff coming out. Recently, I saw one where they had like these wooden prints, like where they have like these fancy wood. It's hard to describe, I guess, but it's like a wood sheet with like a photo printed on it that you'll see these in like souvenir shops and stuff, and they sell for 20-30 bucks. I was able to sell shit for $1, put on some nice artwork, turn around and sell the thing for like $20-30. Okay, again, pure profit, very easy to do. I found it using this particular method, the triple dip method, one of the best things I've ever come up with, and I'm giving it to you, and you even get PLR on my method. Truly an incredible, incredible thing. So let's check out the members area quickly. You can see here it's basically just going to be a bunch of prompts that you're going to use in order to go ahead and create these things. There are a whole bunch of bonuses included here as well, but primarily it's just going to be the prompts, and you'll be able to go ahead and use these to create whatever it is that you want to create. And again, every single time you use these prompts, by the way, it's going to create something different. So it's never going to be the exact same thing twice. So you're never going to have the exact same image that somebody else is going to have. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product
For the giant hat, sir.
creator or not. Yeah, seriously, okay. This was awesome. I really, really like these things because it's so easy to make money. There's so many ways to make money off of this. Grab this, you're going to love it.